Today, I'll walk you through how to create a Snapchat professional account, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your professional profile so you can connect with your audience more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from your device's app store. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by the camera page. This is where the magic happens. Next, from the camera page, locate and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. This will take you to your profile where you can manage your account settings. Think of this as your personal dashboard for Snapchat. Now look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on that to access your account settings. This is where you'll find all the options you need to customize your Snapchat experience. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled Public Profile Settings. Here, you'll want to click on your profile name. This will take you a step closer to creating your professional account. As you continue scrolling, keep an eye out for the option that says Switch to a Professional Profile. When you see it, go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Snapchat updates its interface regularly. After clicking that option, hit Next. You'll be prompted to choose among various categories that best represent your professional identity. This is an important step as it helps your audience understand what type of content to expect from you. Think of it as selecting the genre of a book before diving into the story. Once you've selected your category, you're almost there. Follow any additional prompts to finalize your professional account setup. And that's it. You've successfully created your Snapchat professional account. Now you can start engaging with your audience in a more meaningful way. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.